Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a muzzle flash in a game engine. So we have our gun over here, but how do we get the flash? How do we get the muzzle flash? Hold on. The first thing you do is you find an image online or make your own. Boom! Here are muzzle flashes online. Now you just download the PNG and get it into your game engine. And then you make a 3D plane and make a new material so that your new image can live on the plane. Let's add in our image into the base mesh. And of course, this is going to be different for every single game engine. And then let's change this to alpha is transparency and apply. Now we have this and we're going to change it to transparent and alpha clipping, just like that. And now we can apply this texture onto our new texture, onto our 3D plane, and adjust the plane. And just move it into place, just like this. Make sure to turn down the smoothness. And now whenever you shoot the gun, all you have to do is turn this off and on. And make sure to also turn off receive shadows. You have a muzzle flash and you can turn this on and off. Along with the good muzzle flash, you should also add light and also duplicate it so it exists on multiple planes. So when you're looking at it first person, it looks more real. And of course, you should always look at it in first person to make sure that it looks good from your player's perspective. Also, a good muzzle flash has multiple components: the main flash, the projectile, and the smoke. You can use a smoke particle for the smoke, but these you can just turn on and off at the same time to get that effect whenever you shoot a gun. And that's how you make a muzzle flash.